And we are back with another one. As you guys can tell, we are at our old stomping grounds here in NorCal. If you're new to the channel, I lived in NorCal all my life, from the Central Valley. Moved down to San Diego about a year ago. January will be a year, but it's funny because we're actually headed back home today. I was supposed to film a video while I was here, but decided to put the camera down, clear my head, come up with new ideas. In the meantime, hang out with family and friends. While I was here, I was taking care of some business for my dad. Long story short, a vehicle that was been in the family since I was 3 years old, ended up having to let it go, engine blew. They ended up buying another car a couple months ago. Just been kind of lagging on getting rid of the old vehicle, just because obviously sentimental reasons, right? But finally took care of that for him. And I say all that to say is he ordered new wheels for the new vehicle that he has. And by the time we come back next month for Christmas, he should have the wheels. So I might like do a little series on the channel, like kind of fixing that vehicle up for my dad. It'd be pretty cool, honestly. And this is the part where we wave goodbye to our house in NorCal. That will always be my home though, no matter where I travel in this world, no matter where I live, because I felt every emotion in that house. I'll tell you this though, the worst part about driving is this part right here. I need gas, guys. And gas is so freaking expensive right now, it's insane. I can't complain too much though, because it is more expensive in Southern California. Almost $1 more, to be honest. It took $64 to fill this car up. Now, don't get me wrong, that's kind of a lot compared to where we were like 2-3 years ago, right? When I was coming here, I filled this car up for $90, dog. Have you guys ever seen somebody drive off with the pump still attached to their car? I've seen somebody do it, and I've seen like it get ripped off. I guess it's like some safety feature, which makes sense, right? When you drive off with it, the gas doesn't come like swirling out like you think it would. I guess there's like a shut-off valve, so when you drive off with it and it comes off, nothing happens. I've seen that happen, and I've also stopped somebody from doing it, which is ironic. It was at the same pump that I was just at. I've stopped somebody from driving off with it. If you guys haven't drove from NorCal to SoCal, this is basically what it looks like. This is the grapevine is what they call it. And this is a bunch of mountains. You're just driving through the mountains, right? There, you don't really have any signal. You're driving up, so it's a little stress on the engine, but nothing too crazy. 4 more hours to go. 4 more hours to go. It's crazy how we're gonna be in SoCal when we were just in NorCal, but when we get there, it's gonna be dark. One thing I'm missing about SoCal that I've missed this whole time is the weather. Right now, it's about roughly 70 degrees over here. I'm coming from like 60-degree weather, which is a huge difference. You know, as you guys saw, I had a jacket on. When I get home, we'll see. I don't know, because it's gonna be dark time, so it might be a little bit more chilly, but still not as cold as NorCal. But during the day, you probably wouldn't have to wear a jacket over here. And like I said, the weather is what I miss the most over here. So let's go ahead and head up this grapevine and let's travel 4 more hours. Here's how you know you're in SoCal. Just see a random Ferrari on the road. And that would make the baby
75% black and a quarter Filipino.
No. 150% black and then 50% Filipino.
No!
Yeah, it's simple math. How do you not understand that?
It doesn't make sense. Like, I want to do like building blocks and there's just no fucking way. You can't be 2% of people. You're 100% black or 100% Filipino, or you're half, or you're a quarter.
Jack, this was math that they taught in 5th grade. I didn't understand it. It's simple math.
Ask your mom.
What do you mean, ask my followers?
Ask your mom.
They're gonna agree with me to 100%. Everybody knows.
Okay, ask your mom. Get back to me.
Think about it. You take 50% of the dad, and
okay,
then you take
black.
That's 50% black. Then the mom's half black, half Filipino. 50% black, which is 100% black, and then 50% Filipino. That is 150% of the DNA.
No!
How do you not understand it? I don't get it.
Half of 50% is 25, correct.
Okay, so if you do 25% of her black side, 25% of her Asian side, that makes 50% of the DNA of the mom. Where's the other 50% of the DNA of the mom? It's just missing? She did 50% air? No.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
It's 100, I don't, it's simple math, I don't get it.
It's not.
It is. A 7-hour drive back to SoCal. I had to find somebody to mess with. I was just too bored. But we are finally home. We made it back to San Diego. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but we did pay for the registration for this car back when it was due, but they sent it to our old address. Well, since we went back home, we got the registration. So I don't know, should we put it on right now? I kind of don't feel like it. As long as we have it in the car. But the thing is, like, I don't want a reason for a cop to pull me over. So I guess let's throw it on. Kind of sucks because 2023 was orange and it kind of went with the car, right? Now it's blue. It's kind of whack. It kind of stands out. But it is what it is. I should probably make sure that it's clean. Yeah, blue is whack, but whatever. Ah, it's been too long. It's been too long. Nice. Love this view. It's kind of been a minute, so I'm gonna have to have this car warm up for a little bit. Upstairs neighbors, they're gonna hate me, but it is what it is. Wow, and I forgot we need an oil change. Yay! Wow, this actually feels really amazing. It's been a minute. Wow, I don't think I could ever give up cars, dog. Like, the way that this car makes me feel after not driving it for so long is absolutely astonishing. And it just makes me want to bring back the ST even more. To be honest with you guys, I think that's gonna be like my New Year resolution. Like, literally, we're probably gonna bring that car back in January. Just giving you a heads up, to be honest. We'll probably park this car for a while just because, you know, we've been having a lot of fun with this car, and I think we're just gonna hop back in the ST and we're just gonna be driving that car for a while once we bring it back. It's kind of weird because it's only been like a week and a half, but I still gotta get used to the fact that I hopped back into this car and it's like a modified car, and like it does cause attention. I never really get it on camera, never film it, but it's just crazy. No matter where I take this car, like there's always somebody like telling me like, oh, nice car, or like thumbs up, or like just taking a picture of my license plate or the car itself. Like, even when I was in a Chick-fil-A line, the guy was like, oh, nice car, and I pulled out, and then the guy was just like looking at it, smiling. He was like, oh, that's super nice. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. Pretty cool though. It's kind of cool how we can all come together and admire such a nice car. I say that in the most humbling way as possible, because you guys know I love this car. Wait, hold on. Let's take another look at it underneath this lighting though. Yo, looks fire. I'm not gonna lie though, at night I love the rear end. I just love how like the tail lights look. The fact that these cars come stock with LEDs, Nissan knew what they was doing for sure, for sure. And it is the very next day. We're at the car that you guys love so very much. Now, I thought about it. I think I'm going to try to bring this car back as soon as possible. It's been a very long time. I think it's been about 3 months or so. We're going to get in here. Dang, I really need to clean this car out, dog. It's been a minute. So, I don't know why that's down. I wonder if I should close this door. I don't want people to be all sussed out. Like, what the heck? That car never moves. Why is there legs hanging out of it? Also, this car is dead, so that's why I'm climbing in it the way that I'm climbing in it. I gotta get my registration because I don't want to say too much, but a loophole was brought to my attention in regards to smog. And I need my registration so I can change my address so I can take advantage of that opportunity. I don't want to say too much because I don't know if it's even going to work. We'll see. And then 2, you guys know I never gatekeep. But this might be a situation where I might have to gatekeep, because if a lot of people hop on it, then it's going to get saturated. And then I won't be able to take advantage of the opportunity. I don't know. I'm thinking out loud. I might even end up telling you guys. I don't know. Also, this is kind of weird explaining it when I'm like freaking literally sitting like this inside this car. But I need to find a registration. Oh, look. my freaking baseball glasses. Yo, I can't see. Let's see, where is, what is this? Dog, that's crazy. It goes to show you that I haven't been pulled over in a minute. Oh wait, right here I think. What the heck? I'm dead. Dog. Covering my my address. Look, this is last year's registration. Hold on, I'm trying to cover my address. Like this. This was last year's registration. It's not even on. That registration or the sticker that's on the car, I think is like 21 or 22. I've literally been driving around with that sticker this whole time and haven't got pulled over. But I would never take the risk of riding around now knowing that it's on non-op. I would never take that risk. Too big of a risk. Because it would be just that one time, right? But yeah, this is basically what I need to change my address. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And honestly guys, I'm trying to bring this car back as soon as possible. I know earlier in this video, I think I said I was gonna bring it back early next year or as soon as possible or whatever. Truth be told, I'm kind of, as much as I love the Z, I'm not saying that I would sell it or whatever, but truth be told, I'm kind of tired of driving that car. Like I want something new. And I'm grateful and I'm glad that I'm in a position where I'm able to hop into another car and kind of enjoy that. And this car is that, right? So I'm very grateful. Also, it's really weird talking to you guys sitting like this. I don't know. Let me try to see if I can sit down a little bit. Nope. Now I'm stuck. All right. Well, yeah. So, ooh, don't want to do that. Yeah. Again, I love this car. It's been so long since I've driven it, dog. Like I think the last time I drove it was right before the registration expired, and that was back in September. December 1st is Friday. That's 3 months, dog, right? September, October, November, December. Yeah, 3 months. Yes, I still use my fingers to count. So 3 months haven't driven this car. That's a long time, dog. That's 90 days. So we're gonna try to bring this car back as soon as possible. And yeah, I know I haven't even touched on the fact that some of you guys probably thought I was selling it or sold it or want to sell it, whatever. Nope, still got this car. Nope, I'm not selling it, even though I thought about it. Shame on me. But no, I'm not selling it. This car, like I've said in the past, and I don't say this to brag, but this car is paid off. So like, I don't really have to worry about this car cost-wise, other than the gas, registration, and insurance. Like, I don't have a car payment on this car. So like, this car is that car that I could, like, if I had to, sit in a corner and like take everything off of insurance, whatever, and just like not have to worry about it. Like, just be like one car I own, but don't have to like dish out money each month to pay for it, if that makes any sense. So very grateful to be in that position with this car. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't sell it. I do miss it, and like I said, as much as I love the Z, I love that car to death, but kind of tired of driving. I kind of want something like new, like something different, like kind of like a change, like a switch up. And that's why it's cool for like these other content creators, or like just other people in general who have like multiple cars. They can hop in, like when they're tired of one car, they can just hop in another one and enjoy it. And so it's, again, I'm not on that level, but I'm just grateful I'm in a position where I just so happen to have another modified car I can hop in and enjoy. So we're gonna take advantage of that. I need this, so we're gonna go ahead and put that up. And yeah, this car needs to be cleaned badly, dog. What the heck? Whoever was in my passenger seat, they got their butt crumbs all in here. Come on, baby. All right, let's get out of here. Oh, can't forget you guys. But yeah, man, it's crazy. Like, I've never seen leaves inside of the wheel, and like, why is there sap or whatever that is? And so, I don't know, man. We gotta get this car. We gotta get this car right, cause like, look at that. We got spider webs, bro. No freaking way. And the spiders out here are huge, so that's not cool. Yeah, I gotta take care of my baby. We gotta get this. We gotta resurrect this car, cause it's just, yeah. Oh Lord. But yeah, as you guys know, that car needs a smog, and we gotta pay for registration. So give me maybe like a week or two to figure it out, because I might have a loophole around the smog, the legal way. So I don't know, give me some time. Hopefully I can kind of get this figured out in a timely manner so we can bring that car back, because I love this car, but it's time to time to, you know, let it sit for a little bit and we can enjoy our other car. But this is where I'm in the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, because the previous video before this one, you guys saw that we had a photo shoot with the Z, this car right here. Well, we're actually doing the same exact things, that we're going to Malibu this weekend. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because it will be a banger. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.